This Schengen lounge, definitely one of the top tier in Europe. Unboxing Crown Lounge 25 in Amsterdam. Seatings were just newly upgraded. Reveal the full buffet offerings. What beverages do they serve?
Hi, I'm Tripapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Amsterdam, the Netherlands. This is one of the busiest hubs that connects Europe and other cities of the globe. If there's a chance, whether you're flying business class or are an Elite Plus member from SkyTeam, don't miss the KLM Flagship home-based Schengen Lounge, Crown Lounge 25. Before we reveal the details of the experience, let me tell you how I got here. I traveled from Krakow, a beautiful city that's the second largest in Poland. I visited the best business lounge in Schiphol Airport and enjoyed fabulous services on board KLM's World Business Class. Check the link below for my flight report. Back to Amsterdam's Schiphol Airport, the Crown Lounge 25 isn't too hard to find. Simply follow the signs for Airline Lounge 25. You'll spot it once you take the escalator. Here we are, at the signature KLM Schengen Lounge. From the floor map, it's an L-shaped arrangement with a good number of chairs. I visited this year and noticed they upgraded the seating compared to last year. Good job, KLM! The interior design is sleek and smart without being overly decorated. The first round pillar is the refreshment bar, where you can find soft drinks, juices, snacks, coffee, tea, and a good selection of vitamin C drinks. If you're hungry, let's check out the most important part, the buffet area, located at another round pillar. There are options for pastries, cold dishes, and salads. The hot offerings are actually good compared to most Schengen lounges. There are also some light bites available. So far, have you noticed what's missing from the report? Definitely Heineken and the beverage bar. You can get some liquors and snacks to relax a bit during your visit. By the way, if you come in the morning, no alcoholic drinks are served. In summary, KLM's Crown Lounge 25 is definitely one of the top Schengen lounges in Europe, offering good hot and cold food, and of course a great selection of drinks. However, there's only one KLM Schengen lounge here, so it's usually quite crowded. It might not be the most peaceful place to stay for long, in my personal opinion. In my next video, I will visit KLM's best lounge, Crown Lounge 52, and the signature Blue Bar. I'll also be flying KLM World Business Class to Taipei, Taiwan.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.